Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: healthy snacking for stress relief at work, 10 super healthy office snacks for stress relief. We all know that work can be stressful, and one of the ways we often cope is by reaching for snacks. But here's the exciting part: you can snack your way to stress relief while keeping it healthy. In this video, we'll explore the best snacks to help you power through your workday while reducing stress. Let's dive in. We all have those moments at work when deadlines are looming, emails are piling up, and stress levels are skyrocketing. That's when the vending machine or the office cookie jar starts calling your name. But before you give in, it's essential to know that what you snack on can either fuel your stress or help you conquer it. We're here to guide you towards the latter. So, why is healthy snacking such a game changer for stress relief at work? Well, it's all about balancing your energy levels and feeding your brain. When you choose the right snacks, you provide your body with a steady supply of nutrients, preventing those energy crashes and mood swings that often accompany unhealthy choices. Unhealthy snacks, like sugary treats and chips, can lead to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This not only affects your focus and productivity but can also make stress feel more overwhelming. Healthy snacks, on the other hand, keep your blood sugar stable, providing you with a consistent source of energy. Now that we understand why healthy snacking is crucial, let's talk about some effective snacking strategies for stress relief at work. These strategies are practical and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. First, it's essential to plan your snacks in advance. Rather than relying on whatever is available in the office, bring your snacks from home. This way, you can ensure they are nutritious and fit your stress relief plan. Second, opt for snacks that combine complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein. This trio provides a steady source of energy and keeps you feeling full. A great example is a handful of mixed nuts or Greek yogurt with berries. Now, let's get to the fun part: discovering 10 super healthy office stress relief snacks that you can enjoy at work. These options are not only delicious but also loaded with nutrients that can help you conquer stress. Number 1. Mixed nuts. Mixed nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, are a stress-relieving powerhouse for the workplace. Packed with essential nutrients, these nuts offer a combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. The healthy fats support brain function and mood regulation, helping to ease stress. The protein keeps you full and provides a steady energy supply, preventing energy crashes that often come with sugary snacks. Additionally, the fiber aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels. A handful of mixed nuts not only satisfies your hunger but also promotes a sense of calm, making it the perfect stress relief snack to keep at your desk. Number 2. Yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt paired with antioxidant-rich berries is a stress-busting snack that's both delicious and nutritious. This dynamic duo offers a powerful combination of protein, probiotics, and vitamins. The high protein content in Greek yogurt helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing energy crashes and mood swings. Probiotics support a healthy gut-brain connection, influencing your overall well-being and stress levels. Berries, loaded with antioxidants, combat stress by reducing oxidative damage in the body. This wholesome snack not only curbs your midday hunger but also promotes relaxation and a sense of well-being, making it an ideal choice for reducing stress at work. Number 3. Avocado Toast. Avocado toast is not just a trendy snack, it's a stress relief powerhouse. Mashed avocado spread over whole grain toast provides a perfect balance of healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. The healthy monounsaturated fats in avocados help regulate stress hormones, ensuring a calmer mood. The fiber from whole grain bread stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and mood swings. Avocado also contains potassium, which helps reduce tension and muscle cramps, promoting relaxation. This tasty and satisfying snack is a quick fix to keep stress at bay during a busy workday, helping you maintain focus and a positive frame of mind. Number 4. Hummus and Veggies. Hummus and veggies create a stress relief combo that's both nutritious and satisfying.
Hummus, made from chickpeas and tahini, provides plant-based protein and healthy fats.
This combination helps keep you full and provides sustained energy, preventing those stress-inducing energy crashes. The crunchy, colorful vegetables like carrots, cucumber, and bell peppers deliver vitamins and antioxidants that support overall well-being.
Munching on this snack is not only a sensory delight but also a practical stress buster.
It offers a combination of textures and flavors that can instantly lift your mood and reduce stress, making it an excellent choice for maintaining composure and focus at work.
Number 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a delightful stress reliever that doubles as a guilt-free treat. Packed with antioxidants and flavonoids, it aids in reducing stress hormones like cortisol. The compounds found in dark chocolate promote relaxation and mood improvement.
In moderation, this sweet indulgence can be a go-to snack when stress starts to creep in at work.
Its rich, intense flavor not only satisfies cravings but also brings a sense of comfort.
A small piece of dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa content, can help reduce stress while offering a delightful respite, making it a perfect choice for moments of tension in the workplace.
Number 6. Herbal tea.
Herbal tea is nature's calming elixir, an ideal stress relief remedy during a demanding workday. Varieties like chamomile, lavender, and peppermint are celebrated for their relaxation-inducing properties.
The soothing aroma and warmth of herbal tea provide an instant sense of tranquility. Compounds in these teas, such as chamomile's apigenin, can reduce stress and promote restful sleep.
The act of sipping tea encourages mindfulness, a key factor in stress reduction. With each cup, you take a moment to breathe, relax, and reset, making herbal tea an essential and rejuvenating snack for alleviating workplace stress and maintaining focus and well-being.
Number 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a wholesome stress relief snack that's perfect for the workplace.
It's a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, providing steady energy and helping stabilize blood sugar levels.
Oatmeal is also rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that supports the production of serotonin, a mood-regulating neurotransmitter.
Consuming oatmeal can lead to a boost in serotonin levels, promoting feelings of calm and well-being.
Additionally, it's easy to customize with stress relief ingredients like honey, nuts, and cinnamon.
A warm bowl of oatmeal is not only nourishing but also soothing, making it an excellent choice for maintaining focus and reducing stress during a hectic workday.
Number 8. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a simple yet powerful stress relief snack for the office.
Packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients, they provide a sustained energy source that keeps stress at bay. Protein-rich foods like hard-boiled eggs stimulate the production of dopamine and norepinephrine, neurotransmitters that enhance alertness and mood. They also help you stay full and satisfied, preventing energy dips and irritability. Convenient and portable, hard-boiled eggs are an excellent choice for curbing stress and maintaining concentration at work. Their natural goodness and stress-busting properties make them an ideal snack to keep in your desk drawer for those challenging moments in the workday.
Number 9. Popcorn.
Popcorn, when prepared the right way, is a stress-relieving snack that adds a touch of comfort to your workday.
Rich in whole grains and fiber, it provides steady energy, stabilizing blood sugar levels and preventing mood swings.
The act of munching on popcorn can be a satisfying and mindful experience, helping reduce stress and promote relaxation. Opt for air-popped popcorn without excessive butter or salt to keep it healthy. This low-calorie, whole-grain snack can be a perfect choice for those moments when you need a quick, light, and satisfying stress relief option to stay focused and composed at work.
Number 10. Trail Mix.
Trail Mix is a stress relief snack that offers the perfect balance of nutrition and convenience for the workplace. This mixture typically combines nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and sometimes a hint of dark chocolate, creating a snack that's rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and antioxidants. The combination of ingredients provides a steady supply of energy, curbing hunger and mood swings. Nuts and seeds are packed with nutrients that promote relaxation and focus, while dried fruits offer natural sweetness.
A sprinkle of dark chocolate adds a touch of indulgence.
Trail mix is a go-to option for stress reduction, enhancing concentration and well-being while tackling the demands of work.
And there you have it, our guide to healthy snacking for stress relief at work. Remember, what you eat matters, especially during those hectic workdays. Choose snacks that nourish your body and help you conquer stress.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life.
Now, it's your turn.
Share your favorite stress relief snacks in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey to a stress-free workday.
At Infinite Infotainment, we're dedicated to creating valuable, informative, and entertaining content for our viewers.
Each video is a labor of love, a product of our commitment to deliver the best possible content. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue our mission. By subscribing to our channel, you not only show your appreciation for the time and effort we invest, but also become part of our amazing community. Don't miss out on our latest videos, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey.
Thank you for being a part of our family.